Attention rideshare and food delivery drivers, Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart. I'm talking to you. If you drive for one of these companies, I will almost guarantee you don't have the right insurance coverage. I've seen this from both sides. I've seen this when I've represented clients who've been struck by these drivers, and I've represented many of these drivers who were involved in an accident. What we find is that there are a very narrow set of circumstances and when the rideshare or food delivery company is responsible to provide you insurance coverage. It's often when you actually have a passenger in your car, or you actually have the food or the groceries in your car you're delivering. But if you're on your way to pick up a passenger, on your way to pick up the food, or you have just dropped off your passenger food and leaving a neighborhood or an establishment and you're in an accident, you don't have insurance coverage with these providers, with these companies. They don't cover you then. There's a very narrow window of time that they cover you. But what happens is your own personal auto insurance coverage doesn't cover you either, because your personal auto insurance coverage buried deep into the paperwork, there are exclusions that say if you are driving for one of these companies and you have, for example, the app on and you're accepting deliveries, or you just completed one, or you're going to pick up something, then your personal auto insurance doesn't cover you either. So if you're in an accident and you're at fault, the food delivery rideshare app doesn't cover you and your personal auto doesn't cover you. Or the inverse is true as well. So you need to make sure that you have an add-on to your personal auto insurance that will cover you if you're driving for one of these DoorDash, Uber, Instacart, one of those types of delivery services. You need to make sure you've got proper coverage. If you don't, you're likely going to find yourself in a situation with no coverage at all. Check your policies and be aware.